Zombie apocalypse.
What's up, everyone? Today, things will be quite oddly different, in a funny way. Rico came face to face with an elephant. Dumbfounded, Rico screamed. He blurted out, "A huge elephant. Imagine a cute puppy wanting to play." The elephant did just that. He hopped and tooted. Rico then realized that the elephant just wanted to play and be friends. Rico said, "Well, I guess he just wants to be friends." It is a known fact that elephants are highly intelligent animals and friendly giants. The elephant was so playful that he tromped on Rico. Rico then said,
"Help!"
7 minutes later.
Rico went back to the accident scene just to show the elephant he looks like a mummy, wrapped up in bandages. So what's the moral of the story here? Type your comments below. That's it for now. Watch out for the upcoming comics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.